Join us to explore about the fascinating world of lathe machines.
A lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece against a cutting tool to perform machining operations. It's primarily used to shape cylindrical objects. The essential components of lathe machine are bed, headstock, tailstock, carriage, tool post, and spindle. Bed is the main structural part that supports the other components. Headstock holds and rotates the workpiece. Tailstock supports the workpiece at the opposite end from the headstock. Carriage holds the cutting tool and can be moved along the bed. Tool post holds the cutting tool. Spindle, the rotating shaft in the headstock that drives the workpiece. The common operations of lathe machine are turning, removing material from the workpiece to create a cylindrical shape. Facing, machining a flat surface perpendicular to the workpiece's axis. Drilling, creating a cylindrical hole in the workpiece. Boring, enlarging an existing hole. Threading, cutting threads on the workpiece.